Welcome to this tutorial on how to use KuCoin, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. To get started, first go to the KuCoin website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Then verify your account through the email sent by KuCoin. Once your account is verified, log in and set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. After logging in, you will see the KuCoin dashboard, which provides an overview of the current market trends and your account balance. To deposit funds, click on the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. KuCoin supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Copy the deposit address and use it to transfer funds from your external wallet to your KuCoin account. To buy or sell cryptocurrencies, click on the Markets tab and select the trading pair you are interested in. Use the order form to place a buy or sell order, and make sure to review the fees and terms before confirming the transaction. KuCoin also offers advanced trading features, such as stop loss and take profit orders, which can help you manage your risk and maximize your profits. To access these features, click on the Trading tab and select the Advanced mode. In addition to spot trading, KuCoin also offers futures and margin trading, which allow you to trade with leverage and potentially earn higher returns. However, these features also come with higher risks, so make sure to use them with caution. To withdraw funds, click on the Assets tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the withdrawal address and amount, and confirm the transaction. KuCoin will then process the withdrawal and transfer the funds to your external wallet. Finally, make sure to stay up to date with the latest market trends and news by following KuCoin on social media and using the exchange's built-in news and analytics tools. By following these steps and using KuCoin's features and tools, you can start trading cryptocurrencies safely and effectively.